Water, the lifeblood of our planet. Irrigation accounts for 70% of fresh water use around the world. How to conserve irrigation water for both ecological and economic reasons has been the object of our research and development work. The netAQUA, a web-enabled smart irrigation controller, is the result of our efforts. Automatically adjusting to weather conditions, accessible from anywhere on the internet, and super easy to use make the netAQUA a product that answers today's needs for both convenience and conservation. Hi, I'm Mark Rosen. I'm co-designer of the netAQUA and co-founder of Roslyn, the company behind the product.
And I'm Bart Lewalski, the other co-designer of the netAQUA and co-founder of Roslyn. Mark and I are very excited to present the netAQUA to you and the whole Kickstarter community. You may have seen traditional irrigation controllers, the ones that have a dial of some sort augmented by an array of buttons. This is a non-intuitive interface to say the least, especially on the more advanced units, that keeps you going back to the manual if you're lucky to have one. The netAQUA solves this problem. It's a networked device that connects to your computer network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Once connected, you have access to all of the configuration options by simply pulling up your favorite web browser like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox or Safari and typing in the name or IP address of the netAQUA. Watering, system, and software upgrade functions are all available with a click of a mouse. Let's look at how easy it is to program a cycle on the netAQUA. The browser opens to the status page, and once you're there, you select the Watering Settings tab. Once you select the cycle, all options are plainly shown for you to set, such as frequency, start time, and run times for each zone. You make your selections from the drop-down menus, for example, daily frequency, starting at 7 a.m., with Zone 1 set for 15 minutes and Zone 2 for 17 minutes. A click of the Apply button completes the programming. That's all there is to it. But, you say, what if the computer crashes or the network goes down, or maybe you have a gardener who doesn't have access to a computer, tablet or smartphone, or you are in the garden and want to make some quick zone checks or setting changes. You can do that all with a straightforward menu-based LCD button interface right at the netAQUA enclosure. Let's take a look now at how the netAQUA helps you to conserve water, helps you to save money, protects your plants, and helps them thrive. Has this ever happened to you? A rainstorm rolls in and you're not at home to cancel automated watering. The result? Your sprinklers run while water falls from the sky and your water bill goes higher and higher, or a heat wave strikes. Too much sun and heat with watering set for average temperatures can stress and ruin your plants. But the netAQUA automatically responds to the weather as reported from Internet Weather Services, or you can use optional local temperature and rainfall sensors to react to your own microenvironment. Again, these features are set by a few clicks of a mouse. Concerns about freezing? Set a low temperature threshold that disables all watering. Slopes or areas with clay or hard soil types are another challenge for most traditional controllers. Even a small amount of watering on a slope can result in precious water flowing off the slope and into the drain, again wasting water and money for the user. The netAQUA helps in this situation as well with its slope clay feature. Each zone can be configured for slope irrigation. When a slope condition is applied to a zone, the overall watering time for that zone will be broken up into several periods with a settable duration break in between. This gives the water more time to soak into the ground, reducing runoff. Talking about wasting water, have you ever seen a sprinkler system dumping water into the street from a missing head or break in the line? The netAQUA has automatic break detection with the optional flow sensor installed and will disable the zone, set an alarm in the system status page, and send you an alarm notice via email. A key point that we haven't stressed is that the netAQUA is designed to be expandable. We have multi-zone expansion modules on the drawing board for release later on this year, and this makes it a system that is customizable for larger residences, community gardens, shopping centers, and even farms.
The netAQUA can be installed outdoors, and before we close, it's important to mention the issue of reliability. We have a track record on that count, having worked for more than 20 years on high reliability products and telecommunications. We have literally millions of copies of our designs in the field, and we've applied what we've learned to make the netAQUA a product that will run trouble-free, even in an outdoor environment. So, hitting the high points. You've seen that the netAQUA automatically adjusts to the weather, that it's accessible on any device that has a web browser like a computer, tablet, or smartphone, that you can control it from anywhere in the internet world, and that it's really easy to use with the ability to manage many features that will both save water and protect your plants and the environment.
So what's next, Mark? What are the goals for our Kickstarter campaign?
Well, the bottom line is that we need everyone's help. With your participation, we'll finance our first production run and continue development on the expansion module. We not only need you to become a backer, though, we'd also appreciate it if you helped us to spread the word on Facebook and Twitter. And finally, as a special Kickstarter benefit, both to us and to you, we want you to be on our development team. We're taking on the first 200 Platinum backers as reviewers to help us fine-tune the product as the time goes on. Join us and tell your friends about netAQUA. And thank you for backing our project.